Magandang araw mga boxing fans at welcome back sa Boxing Bell TV. Tignan maigi ang larawan na ito at pagmasdan maigi ang buong laban kung gaano makayakap ng gusto ang kalaban sa takot dito sa Pinoy.
Lantry is looking to cling on for the final few seconds. A big left hook from Rafael, a big right hand.
Sa Sablayan, Mindoro Occidental, meron isang boksingerong Pinoy ang kinalakihan ng buhay probinsya. Sa ayaw maging habang buhay na magsibak ng kahoy, ay nagsumikap ito na mapalaban sa Maynila. Ngunit ang maliit na pangarap ng Pinoy na makaipon lamang sa laban sa Maynila ay dinoble ng kanyang kapalaran nang imbitahan nito sa bansang Australia. Dito ay kakalabanin niya ang future superstar ng mga Australiano na si Tyson Lantry. Sa bigat nga daw ng mga kamuon nito ay may hintulad ito sa lakas ni Mike Tyson. Malaking pagkakataon nito para sa Pinoy na si Rodney Raffol kung sakaling papalaran siyang manalo dahil nakataya lang naman sa laban ang bakanting WBF Asia Pacific Lightweight title. Merong kartada na hawak ang ating kababayan na 13 wins with 7 losses and 2 draw. Habang Australiano ay merong kartada na 9 wins at wala pang bahid na pagkatalo.
Crowd behind him and a lot of expectations. And we'll see them start now. Looking to find the jab.
Rafael, a big puncher, Tommy.
He looks very focused in there. Nice shape, very long. You expect him to want to fight from the outside the way of Jamie Pittman. Very experienced coach in his corner ties. Himself has had some tough fights along the way, but I think this is a big step up.
Oh, swing and a miss there.
So far. But if you look at the legend, that was back in 2015, that you can see this fight. He hasn't fought much over the last couple of years. His last fight was a TKO win, so he's coming in off a win. For the head that Lantry wasn't too happy with there.
They're like that, the Filipinos. You just got to be careful. I fought a few myself back in the day, and they can knock you out from anywhere. You've got to keep your eye on them.
He's certainly throwing those right hands. Tyson needs to be careful. He's ducking back, ducking a bit low, and that's maybe why he's getting caught on the back of the head.
When they're swinging that wide, now he's putting his punches together, and he's finding the mark there. Punches together then a lot better.
He's coming with some intention, Rafael. All of those punches, absolutely everything. Time to measure. Quite a great left hook there. Didn't seem to bother Tyson. That one might have. Another one as well. A bit predictable in his move. Tried to move away. Very aggressive stuff. Swing and a miss there.
He's showing up.
Yes, Tyson does have a KO loss on his record, so maybe that's what he's thinking.
It's time to tee up now, Simon. Look at that.
Wild. But it is making Tyson uncomfortable. He definitely wins on the cleaner work.
Pagsapit sa ikalawang round, ang pinagmamalaki na kasing lakas ng suntok na may hintulad kay Mike Tyson ay hindi mabitaw-bitawan nitong Australiano. At tila mas marami pang binabatong malalakas na suntok itong ating Pinoy.
He's throwing every punch with bad intention at the moment. Just good movement there. Tyson just shaping him up, turning him round.
Tyson jab.
I want to see a bit more activity from Lantry. He's slowed down since the opening couple of minutes. The first round, that's a big overhand right, and he's been hurt there by Rafael. And Rafael jumping in, throwing everything at him. He is struggling now, starting to time those, and Rafael is too easy to judge where those punches are coming from.
He's got to grab him right now. He's got to grab him and tie him up. If he doesn't, he's gone.
There's a lot of time left in this round, and we know how long a round can be when you're struggling like this. Rafael just needs to put some punches together. Stop trying to look for that one big punch.
Tyson swings it back. Will Solis is having a good look in there.
Second round pa lamang ito mga bossing at tila basang-basa na ng ating Pinoy ang galaw ng kanyang kalaban.
And Rafael is starting to pile on the pressure. A great left hook. He's not got his legs back at all, Tyson. Oh, a big right hand and a big left hand from Rafael.
Tie him up, right, Tyson, tie him up, son.
Oh, a big shot as he comes inside.
Tyson wants to stick that jab out. He's probably out on his feet at the moment. He wants to get that jab out.
Oh, and he's down again. A big shot on the top of the head from Rafael. And Tyson looks at his corner. Jamie Pittman giving him good advice there, telling him to stay down for the 8 count. Recover, and he's up for 10.
Kung inyo rin napansin kung nabigyang importansya lang ng kampo ng Australiano ang paglingon ng kanilang bata, kanina pa sana tapos ang laban na ito. Dahil sumisinyalis ito na gusto na nitong itigil ang laban, ngunit nang matigas at ipinilit pa rin ilaban. Kaya naman panoorin natin ang susunod na rounds.
We go again, but Raffol just needs to put his foot on the gas here, and can he finish things off? Lantry in all kinds of trouble at the moment. Another right hand connect. Body shot from Raffol. Is he starting to slow down? Has he put too much into this round? Just stalking another right hand. Lantry looking very uncomfortable. The legs look like they're coming back now. Starting to get his timing in, but there's a big left hook. A big uppercut from Raffol. Lantry just looking to cling on for the final few seconds. A big left hook from Raffol, a big right hand, and he has survived the round.
Bago natin panoorin ang ikatlong round, ay nais ko muna magpasalamat dahil simula umpisa at hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin kayo bumibitaw sa ating mga nilalabas na video.
Be interesting to see Lantry's feet here. Looks like he's recovered, looks comfortable.
Stick that jab out like it's no tomorrow.
Yeah, I'd be staying on the outside if I was Lantry. You don't want to be anywhere near those overhands or those hooks. And it's it, jabs and 1-2s and get out of there. It's got to be the order of the day for the longer fighter.
You get up on your toes when Tommy dance around. I know he's probably out on his feet at the moment.
Another big right hand, and he looks uncomfortable again on his feet. The towel has come in from Jamie Pittman, and we have a win for Rodney Raffol. He wins the WB Asia Pacific title, and he is ecstatic in the ring. Look at the emotions in there for Raffol. It's a huge win for him. It's a big upset on the night. Lantry is devastated in the corner, but he did look hurt every time Raffol.
Tignan nyo nga naman mga bossing, kakaumpisa pa lamang hiniyagis na agad ng corner ng Australianong si Tyson Lantry ang towel. Akala siguro nila ay pagbibigyan sila ng ating pangbato.
We have a win for Rodney Raffol. He wins the WB Asia Pacific title, and he is ecstatic in the ring. Look at the emotions in there for Raffol. It's a huge win for him. It's a big upset on the night. Lantry is devastated in the corner, but he did look hurt every time Raffol.
And new WBF Asia Pacific champion, Rodney Raffol.
Kung isa ka sa mga nagkagusto sa ating tampok ngayon, ay malaya kang kalembangin ng kampana upang makasama kita sa panonood ng mga laban ng ating mga Pinoy boxer.